Good morning, everybody. This is Mike from the last Corvette. So today's project is replacing the cabin air filter in my C6. Pretty simple process. You need to remove the access cover, which just is held in with two tabs right by the battery on the passenger side firewall. Excuse me. And regardless if you have a battery here or in the trunk, the cabin filter is always there. But this one was bought about 3 years ago, over 3 years ago, actually. And I bought it from Advanced Auto Parts, I want to say, maybe AutoZone. And look what happened to it. It freaking, like, collapsed on itself. I mean, it still did the job. But this here is a Fram air filter. This is a part number CF11181. And basically, this is a much more rigid frame, which will help with this whole collapse or basically being mangled while being installed or uninstalled. This is how OEM ones look. They have a really rigid frame around the media. This here is a Fram Fresh Breezes, they call it, Arm & Hammer, and it helps, especially with these C6s. These air boxes are very low. They also collect a lot of moisture or water in them. And believe it or not, yes, funky stuff grows in them. So what I always do when I service them is I'll take a little bit of Lysol. When I have the filter out, I'll spray some Lysol right in the box, and that helps a lot. And obviously running this filter will help as well. But as far as the installation goes, it's pretty simple. Just find the arrow, just like on any other media filter. And in this case, the air comes in from the top, gets pushed through this filter, and this is where I guess the Arm & Hammer or the baking soda is. And here's the arrow, so it's going to slide in just like so into this cavity, which is see right there. And from there, you just put the fascia cover on, and that's it. That's all there is to it. So I'm going to put it in, and maybe in a couple of weeks, give you guys a review if I notice or smell the difference. Talk to you guys later. All right, so this is my, I guess, second take. So one of the things that probably most people don't know is on this C6 application, here's the new filter, the Fram filter inside this air box here. And it actually curls up. The two guides, they actually radius out, which is kind of weird. They obviously did it because of the design and probably space issues. But normally they just slide in, you know, they're horizontal. But this one actually sweeps up when you install it. So like I said, it's also explains this little mess here, which is bent sides. But if you get a, like I said, a more expensive filter, it's going to be more rigid, so you're not going to have as much flex, and it's also going to give you a better seal. But now all is left is just to put this cover back on. Very simple. There's a seal. It just goes right in there like so. And then you just tab, and that's it. It's in place. That's how simple it is to really install these covers and also service your cabin filter. All right, like I said, I'll give you guys a take on this Fram filter. I think it was like 20 bucks or something, or $19 on Amazon. It wasn't too bad. But anyway, talk to you guys later.